Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to determine the net framework version installed on your computer guys in Windows 10 computer. Let's jump straight into it guys. For checking that you just need to go to search menu and type command prompt cmd. Click run as administrator over here and click yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command guys used in my video. You just need to copy the command in my description of my video, copy it and tap the bar right click edit and paste it in, press enter. Now we get it guys. There is the version number is noted here, 4.8.04084. This is the version number denoted in here. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.